Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import template design in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first log in your Wix account and then go to website template. Now you see link wix.com/website/template and then you see pick the website template you love and then you see category. So you can select design according to your requirement. You see multiple design. Now you see edit and view button. If you want, you can click on view to check design. Now scroll down. You see multiple design. So you can select design according to your requirement. Now you see coaching professional. So click on view. Now you see demo design, coaching professional and scroll down. You see about me section and then you see services section, plans, blog, guides, contact and then on top you see edit this site button. If you want to import this design then click on edit this site button. Now loading design. Now you see design is added and then close this pop-up. So this is our design. Now you see add element, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business media CMS. Now click on it. Now you see add section, quick edit. So you can customize this design according to your requirement. Now on left side you see pages. So click on it. And then you see site menu, sign up login, booking pages, blog pages, member area. So you can customize page content according to your requirement. Now click on site menu. Now you see about page. So click on it. And then you see change link, rename, duplicate, hide, sub page, delete. Now again click on page. Now you see about section show. Now click on service. Now you see service section show. Now click on plan. Now you see plan section. So you can edit according to your requirement. And then you see save, preview, publish. So click on save. Now you see get a free Wix domain. If you want, you can connect your own customized domain. Now you see my site one and then click on save and continue. Then you see your site is saved. When you publish, the following will be your domain. Now you see if you want, you can edit it and then click on done. If you want, you can publish now. Now click on any text. Now you see plan and pricing. Then you see different option, plans, layout, display, text. Now you see page title. Choose the plan for you. Page subtitle, button. Now close. Now scroll down. You see form. Also you see contact title and details. So click on it. Then you see contact paragraph text. So you can add according to your requirement. So in this way you can import template design in Wix and then save and publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.